Unlock a world of virtual adventure with Robux, and here's exactly how to grab yours using Apple Pay. First things first, make sure you have the Roblox app installed on your iPhone or iPad. Tap that iconic Roblox icon to launch the game and dive into your favorite worlds. Once the app is open, you'll see a prominent Robux icon, usually located at the top of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to the Robux purchasing screen, where you can see the different Robux packages available. Browse through the available Robux packages, whether you're aiming for a small boost or a generous amount of virtual currency. Choose the package that suits your needs by tapping on it. Now, here's where Apple Pay seamlessly integrates. You'll see the purchase details and the total amount. Below that, you should see the Apple Pay option. Tap on it to proceed. Your iPhone will then prompt you to authenticate the payment. This could be through Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Depending on your device's security settings, simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transaction. After a moment, you'll receive a confirmation that your Robux purchase was successful. Your Robux will then be instantly added to your Roblox account, ready for you to spend within the game. If you encounter any issues, like the Apple Pay button not appearing, double-check that Apple Pay is set up on your device and that you have a valid payment method linked to it in your iPhone's wallet app. And that's it. Enjoy using Apple Pay to buy Robux and enhance your Roblox experience. Happy gaming!